across this terminal. Now this is B and this is grounded because it's a negative terminal, so it is grounded. Now how we can calculate this VAB? Now VAB is equal to, according to the voltage divider formula, VAB is equal to R2 divided by R1 plus R2 into V1. By voltage divider formula, we can say VA voltage across this VAB term, VA is equal to R2, this R2, this is R1, this is R2. वोल्टेज डिवाइडर फार्मूला से क्या आएगा? फार्मूला क्या आएगा वोल्टेज डिवाइडर फार्मूला से? VAB इज इक्वल टू V1 VAB क्या आएगा? R2 डिवाइडेड बाय R1 प्लस R2 इंटू V1. R2 डिवाइडेड बाय R1 प्लस R2 into V1. So what is the R2? R2 is 6 kilo ohm, 6K. R1 3K plus R2 6K into V1. V1 is 24 volt. 24. Now what we will get? 6 divided by 9 KK. This KK cancels, so we will get, so what we will get? 6 times 16 volt. 16 volt. Now we will give now we will perform second step. Now step second. Step 2. Short this first voltage source. We will now we will perform second step. In second step, make V2 short, make V1 short, V1 make V1 short, and find voltage between A and B. Now we will short this V1 source and we will replace this 9 volt source, V2 source. So how we will get the diagram? We will get diagram in this way. Now we will short this first voltage source V1 and we will connect this V2 source in the circuit. So we will get voltage. So we will short this voltage source and we will get voltage across this R1 VAB. So how we will get the figure in this way? R1 here short, R1 here R2, here 9 volt minus 9 volt source, and here we have to calculate VAB. Now VAB we have to calculate. VAB means across R1. It's voltage across R1. So voltage across R1, how we will get this 9 volt minus 9 volt supply R2, this R1. So we have to calculate voltage across this R1. A, this is B. So how we will get voltage? Now by the voltage divider formula, VB is equal to R1 divided by R1 plus R2 into V2. So what is the R1? R1 is 3 kilo ohm divided by R1 3 kilo ohm plus R2 6 kilo ohm into V2. V2 is 9 minus 9 volt. Because why minus? Because negative sign is upper and positive sign is lower. So how we will get this 9 volt minus 9 volt minus 9 volt multiplication. So what is we will get? 3k divided by 9k into minus 9 volt. K gets cancelled. 9 gets cancelled. So we get minus 3 volt. So we will get minus 3 volt. VB is minus 3 volt. Now apply superposition theorems on this circuit. So we will get VAB is equal to step 3. Apply superposition theorem. So we will get VAB is equal to VA plus VB. What will we get? Step 3. Apply superposition theorem. VAB is equal to VA plus VB according to superposition formula. We have to add this VA, this first VA. What will get VA? This 16 volt VA and VB. What is this VB? Minus 3 volt. So VA 16 volt plus minus plus VB is 3 volt minus 3 is equal to 13 volt. So VAB is equal to 13 volt. We have asked this VAB. Find the potential difference point A and B. This is VAB. Thank you. Now students, I will give the problems on the superposition theorems to you. You have to solve in home. I will give homework to you. This is example. Find the potential difference between point A and B. This is the circuit you have given. In this circuit, this is the R1, this 6 kilo ohm. This is the R2, this is 12 kilo ohm. This is the V1, this is plus 30 volt is there, 30 volt supply is given. This is the 30 volt supply is V2, 30 volt supply is given. This is V2. This is V2. So you have to find out the VAB. VAB across this voltage across this terminals A and B. VAB. What is VAB? How you can calculate? You have to solve your own self. So I will give only idea. You have to short one source. You short this source V1 first, then voltage across this R1 resistance you have to calculate, and after in second step you have to short this 30 volt supply V2 and voltage across this 12 kilo ohm you have to calculate. At this VA according to superposition VAB is equal to VA plus VB. Okay, thank you friends, bye bye.